Hello everybody and welcome to part 10 of our Turing tumble video. So in this video we will do puzzle number 10. So we have the objective blue, blue, red, red, blue, blue, red, red, blue, blue, red, red. And we have 22 ramps as available pieces. So I will leave the simulator link in the description below. And you can pause this video and solve it. Okay. So as you would have expected, these bits count as a counter. 1, 2. 1, 2. So first things first, we'll put this here. Then we need to make a successful path down to activate the blue, red, this lever, this color. Because this will go down, activate the blue lever, and then this will go down and activate the other lever. So let's make a successful path down. So as you see here, we have both sides finished and we have 2 extra ramps. It's because this one, you have to put a ramp here. And I made it differently so you can save 2 ramps. So let's test this out. Oops. So, as you see here, we have a pattern of blue, blue, red, red, blue, blue, red, red, dot, dot, dot. But unfortunately, you need these more balls than these, even number of balls. So I hope you enjoyed watching and hope to see you next time. Bye!